Alright, what's up everyone? We're back with another video. Our neighbor hit us up and he wanted his skid steer done, so we're going to do him a favor. We're going to hit the outside with some heavy duty, see if we can get some of that grime and grease off. Then we're going to bust out the steam cleaner and tackle the inside of this thing. So guys, for this skid steer we got today, it looks like it's been used a lot. So we got, as you can tell just from the front, got some mud splashed up. We got all kinds of stuff going here. Even on the inside, it's pretty dirty, pretty dusty, pretty muddy. Nothing we can't handle though. So we're gonna knock that out for him. Pull out the steam cleaner. Should take care of a lot of this stuff. And then this grime and this buildup, dirt, wood shaving, all kinds of stuff's in here. So we got some stuff to hit. We got the Chemex heavy duty. We're gonna throw some witch's brew on here for that rust and iron. We got the Old Glory. So we're gonna knock this out real quick. Grease. That's what Chemex always tells them to do. Alright guys, so as you saw in those clips, this is a pretty dirty rig. It's been out in the woods. It's got a lot of grease and the grease joints and stuff like that we gotta take care of. So we got some witch's brew right here from Chemex, iron rust remover. It's always good for heavy equipment. And you got your heavy duty for them. This stuff works great, especially if you dilute it pretty strong.
So that's what we did. This is diluted pretty strong. We do only got this much left, so we're gonna see what we can do with this much, and we got other stuff we can work with too. So, but this is the top 2 line of product.
All right, so the first round of just a rinse, it got a lot off, as you can see. The biggest thing we're fighting, like Levi said, is a lot of the grease has got some of that stuff just trapped in there with it. And these cracks back here, it's kind of hard to hit all that. So we'll get what we can. He's not too worried about the outside, but we gotta definitely hit it one more time. And then in spots like this, it's gonna take a little bit more work, but shouldn't be too much longer. And then we'll start on the inside. That thing turned on.
Did take a lot of other shots already.
Alright guys, we got some Old Glory. We're gonna spray this thing down. We got no sun today, which is working in our favor. And we're gonna let it sit, let all of this work its magic, and then we'll spray it off. See what we need to hand scrub, if we do. See if we need to hit any more spots. And then lastly, we'll throw a coat of snake oil on for him. So let's go ahead and get this thing sprayed down. Guys, look how shiny that is now. Another thing I want to touch on real fast is, like, we're not getting rid of all of the grease. I mean, these things need to be greased. That's the whole point of grease, is to keep this equipment lubed up, because you don't want anything breaking or seizing up. So for a basic wash, you know, this is great. This is exactly what he's wanting. And another thing, we don't just use Chemex products. It's just something we've been trying out lately. We love trying new products, so let us know which brand of products you want us to try next. I was thinking maybe something like Adams, because we are going to be using their ceramic coating in the future. Guys, we got just the tiniest little bit of snake oil. We're not going to use a lot on this thing, but we're just going to give him a nice little coat. Help keep his windows and everything nice and clean as well.
Alright guys, we're back. We just dried the outside just a little bit with the blow handle, and we didn't want to use a towel or something like this because, you know, all these tight spaces, it's perfect for one of those little mini blows you can get off of the TikTok shop. If you want to check them out, you can. But now we're into the interior. We got a little dust, got some dirt, some mud like we did on the outside. We're going to use the Chemex interior cleaner. He uses a lot of this stuff on heavy equipment like this. We'll vacuum it. We got the steam cleaner pumping up, and we're gonna knock it out real quick. We kind of took a little break in the winter month. It's still kind of cold outside. We still got a little bit of colder weather ahead of us, but it looks a lot better than what was it, 9 degrees here?
Yeah, it got down
so
in the teens and in the single digits one month.
It's pretty hard without a building. That's why we decided to do a building. If y'all want that, please let us know, and we'll do videos about that and how we made our building and all that. So it's still in progress. There's still a lot of stuff that needs to be done. But like I was saying, we're getting back into our rhythm where we're posting every weekend.
Yep.
So that's a good thing. We love seeing y'all support. We love all that. Just let us know in the comments, share it, like it, subscribe, and we'll get more into it. We might even do 2 when it gets into the hotter months. We might do 2 a week.
Let's go ahead and spray down the interior with this Chemex interior cleaner, and we'll let that sit, and we got the steam cleaner ready. We'll make quick work of this inside.
Oh yeah.
We got everything. We're just soaking everything, guys.
I'm trying to get everything. It is a tight squeeze in here, so
it's gonna be hard to get everything, but we're soaking everything, man. And then we're gonna go back and hit everything with the steam cleaner.
All right, guys, steam cleaner time. I can't even see what's going on. So I know the camera won't be able to get a lot, but what we're doing is with all that compact mud that's in here, we got that interior cleaner working on it, and then the steam cleaner's working up that dirt, and it's just peeling it right off. You won't get a lot of footage from this to see, but we'll see the end result of it.
Guys, get you a steam cleaner.
Oh,
Get
yeah.
a steam cleaner.
It's brought all that dirt up to where we can just wipe it off. Alright guys, look at this. It's coming out great. We got behind the seats. We got everywhere. We still got to hit up here. But this bottom is coming out good. Definitely want to the back of that seat right there.
Really?
Yeah, we didn't. I didn't get that with the steamer. Another video idea is I want to do. Me and Mikey both. We want to do a redesign in our trailer. We love this trailer. You know, it's done good work. We got our stuff up here. We got some reels mounted. You know, all of our brushes, all stuff. But in here, we got extra room, water tank. You know, our setup. If we really want to do a redesign, and if y'all want to do that, let us know. Like I said, we got some lights that we still need to wire in and stuff like that. We want to make it so we have a little bit more storage, like bin somewhere. We want to make this a water tank fully functional to the other side, so we don't have to start pulling stuff out. We want to do all kinds of stuff. And that could be a cool video idea if y'all want us to do that. Just let us know. Love the logo. We're gonna put more stickers on this thing.
We are filthy, by the way, too, guys. But we got this thing looking good for him. I think he's gonna be happy with it. And like I was saying earlier, this is just a basic clean. Like if we wanted this thing showroom finish, we would probably have to have this for, I would say, 2 days. At least 2 days.
One day outside, one day inside.
Yeah, 1 day strictly for the outside, 1 day for the inside.
Good 8 hours.
Yeah, it's, 'cause these things, this mud, you find mud in places that you would not even expect there to be mud. Look at that, guys. We'll throw a little bit of our Gumma Fix on there. we just finished up on this skid steer. It came out amazing. We got the outside pretty clean and the inside is like a brand new skid steer. It smells good, it's clean in there. And once again, we just want to thank you guys for clicking on the video and supporting the channel. I know we're a small channel, but I've got big hopes. We're gonna turn into a big channel.
Oh yeah.
We want to give a shout out to Barrett's Tree Service here in Hiawassee, Georgia. That is my neighbor whose skid steer we just cleaned. I hope you like it. Guys, remember, please subscribe to the channel. Comment what you want to see next.
And we'll see you.